In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're going to make your Gmail easier to navigate by resizing the left sidebar using a simple Chrome extension. This is perfect if your labels feel cramped or you want to see more text without hovering. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along confidently. First, open your Gmail account in a Chrome browser and make sure you're signed in. Having Gmail open helps you see the change right away once the extension is installed. Next, open a new tab and go to chromewebstore.google.com. This is the official Chrome web store where you can safely install extensions. In the search bar, type Resize Gmail Sidebar. Look for the extension called Resize Gmail Sidebar by CloudHQ. Before you click, take a second to confirm the publisher name and glance at the ratings to make sure you've got the right one. Open the extensions page and click Add to Chrome. A small permissions window will pop up explaining what the extension needs in order to work. Because this tool adjusts the layout inside Gmail, it requires access to modify that page's appearance. After reviewing, click Add Extension to continue. You may see a short setup or welcome message from the extension. Go ahead and click OK to finish. Now switch back to your Gmail tab. If you don't immediately see any change, give the page a moment to update. You can also refresh the tab if needed. On the left side of Gmail, move your cursor to the edge between the sidebar and your message list. You should notice the cursor change to indicate you can resize. Click and hold, then drag to the right to expand the sidebar. As you drag, you'll see your labels and folder names reveal more text, which makes long labels much easier to read. When the sidebar reaches a width that feels comfortable, simply release the mouse. The new size should stick as you navigate, and you can repeat the click and drag any time to fine-tune it. If your screen is smaller, try a moderate width so you keep enough space for your inbox. On larger monitors, feel free to go wider so everything is clearly visible. That's it. You've installed the Resize Gmail Sidebar extension and adjusted your layout in just a few steps. This small change can save you time, reduce scrolling, and make your labels far more readable. If the handle isn't responsive, refresh Gmail or temporarily disable other layout-related extensions that might conflict. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.